Happy Sunday, folks. I have a Defiant lock here I got from Al LaBelle. Thanks again, buddy, for that great package. And it's a quick set clone. It's got a pretty decent bitting. I was able to rake it with my Bogota. About 20 minutes ago, I tried doing a video where I rake it to false set and then go about my single pin pigging, but damn, the thing didn't work. And I had my camera off to the side. See, the key works great. Had my camera off to the side because I can't really pick this way very well, but I'm going to give her a shot. Try to rake it to a false set, and if she opens, she opens. Not going to cry about it. And then we shall gut her. See if I can't screw up a gut. Anyway, I just made a video. I'll just zip it to get a false set. There, we got a good false set. I don't know if you can see that. I just don't want a half-hour long video, if I can even get it open. These pins don't feel like they set. I don't know how to explain it. Just really hard to get any feedback on it. Get zero feedback. I hear crunch, I feel crunch, I maybe get a slight movement on the core like I just did on pin 2. And see, pin 2 is still not set. Okay, here's some counter rotation here. Nope, lost it. There's a little counter rotation. It's kind of cool that the key has the code on it. I'm not getting anywhere. This is a weird sounding lock too. It sounds hollow. It's got to be aluminum. It's got that aluminum thunk to it. Raked it last night, but I doubt I'll even get it open on film. I'm having a hell of a time. Anyway, thanks again, Al LaBelle. You are the man. And thank you, Jason Carlson, for a cool lock. Got a good false set. Good false set going. I had this last time I tried to record this a minute ago. I find the binding pin, and then as soon as I set it, I lose everything. I think I got her that time. I don't know what pin that is. It must be a big pin with some serrations in the core. And serrations on the pin. Come on. I don't want to lose what I got. I think I don't have anything now. Everything fell. It always feels like it's on the verge of opening. Always. Can't see what I'm doing. don't know if you can hear the clunks. It sounds really dull. It's interesting. Reset it. Very hard for me to pick at this angle or rake even. I should film over my shoulder or something. Put that false set back. Yeah, little one. I'm going to switch to top of the keyway. And since these pins don't bind too badly, I'm going to try a Sparrow's deep hook. I don't have a shotgun made yet, so I use my little windshield wiper insert dealy bobber. Watching Gilligan's Island. Poor Gilligan went missing. Not having any luck. Alright. This is becoming a pain in the rear. I'm going to rake the shit out of it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong in my picking. I'm doing something really bad though. False set again. Feels like we're open, but we're not. It'd be nice if I could put my pick in there and then feel for a, get my binder. Oh, I know I got too big of a hook. I gotta go back to Mr. Jam. Don't lose it. I'm just going to feel them. Pin 1 is binding, 2 is binding, 3 is binding, 4 is binding. So I'm going to start at the back. I think 5 may be set. I can't reach it with that hook. Okay. Little counter rotation on, where is it? 4. Got it set, and I just heard 2 things drop. know what I'm doing wrong. One more try and I'm going to hang it up. You know, I think my problem is I don't know what it feels like when a pin is set, maybe. Maybe that's my problem. I know what it feels like when they bind. I know what it feels like when they're springy. But a set pin, I don't know. Maybe I should start using really thin picks. I've got some in 15 thousandths to get better feedback, maybe. I can't see. Ah, we're open. That was pin 1. I'm going to call that good. You know, cheating or not, I haven't had a good open on film. Except for a master lock and a Brinks. So, Jason Carlson, very fun lock, very challenging. It was, did not provide much feedback. Until you get most of them set, then you get a little bit of counter rotation, but nothing to shake a stick at. Alright, my other big white pinning trays in use. I'll use my little red one from Bobby Keys. This is so cool, has my name on it and everything. Okay, I gotta scoot closer. You're on film. What happened there? Oh heck, good enough. We have the key. So, gonna get her right about there. Looks like a funky clip. This is a strange ass lock. I'm gonna do some research and look for some of these. Got it. Oops, I don't want to lose it. Sorry about a messy workstation. Got a bunch of grinding stuff on it because I made a pin and pin video for Flash Gordon. He wanted to know how I make my pins, and I'm gonna shim up. Yep. Kind of a weird, really weird butt cap thingy. Got it. Okay. Key works just fine. Right off the bat. I see threading in 3 and 4 and 1. And we'll look at all this closer here in a minute. Here's pin 1. Turn around. Oh, it's those weird quick set pins that don't really have a point. 2. Just a dull point. So happy to get an open. My third video today. Let me look at these closer. Maybe there is a... No. They're unisex, ambidextrous. Okie dokie, that's done. See what he's got upstairs. Like I said, I didn't pay too much attention to the video when Al did it. I know, I'm bad. So, pinning tweezers here. I'll use my CLK supply ones. Okay, so it went in, starting to shake. Little factory-made spool, little steel spring, and I'm starting to shake bad, guys. This is going to be fun. Get in there. In fact, it looks like the little spools that came in my kit I bought. Factory. How'd that go in? Yeah, like that. Factory spool. Small steel spring. I'm going to make more pins for Flash Gordon. His package arrived, tore open, nothing inside. After all that work I did, but it was my fault. I just used a I just used a is that a pin and pin? Oh, it's a drunken spool. So I used just an envelope trying to save money because shipping to England is so expensive. I even taped it up, but they just ripped it all to hell. So I'm assuming drunken spool, I believe it came out that way. Jason, correct me if I'm wrong, please. Because it kind of flipped around there. And that is probably how I would do it. I'm losing springs because I'm shaking so bad. Actually, no, I think this goes the other way. But you're going to have to tell me. This is how I would do it, right here. That way, you get jammed up on there and you don't have another shear line right close. It's hard to do this when I shake. Another serrated, that way. Another steel spring. God dang it, I'm spilling. This is so hard. I'm going to get checked out this week, hopefully. I'm going to see if they can run some tests on me at the hospital. There is something going on. Very last pin. Let's do it this way. I'd like one of these followers in, shoot. Looks like a standard. I'd like one of these followers with both ends having that little indent. Very good, Jason. Thanks again, Al, for sending this. Good job, Jason. Very cool. Very cool. And let's see if there's anything done to the Bible. I don't know if you can see. Doesn't look like anything's done up there. I don't even see any grind marks or any nicks like somebody put a grinder in there. So let's turn it this way. So we have nothing in chamber 1. I thought I could have swore I saw serrations. It's very hard to see. Actually, nothing in any of them. Huh. Bad lighting. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Washington State Picker here. I'm going to sign out, rest a little bit. I've had a busy afternoon. Jason Carlson, thank you. Mr. Al LaBelle, you the man. And please like this video, comment if you'd like, subscribe please. Thank you.